Hello guys, looking to maximize your savings on Temu in 2025? Here are the most verified promo codes that you can use and know without any referral needed. So, top promo code include ACP856709. So this code also accepted as ACP856709 and it is for new and existing users who can get up to $100 off on orders over $100 plus an extra 30 to 40% in hidden discounts. A Reddit user confirms that new Temu users can receive $100 off discounts on orders over 100 by using the code that is ACP856709. Now, alternate code that is ACI520930. So it offers $100 off and up to 30 to 90% discounts for both new and returning users. Now, an international variation for US, it's ACR832484. Reportedly works for US shoppers, offering $100 off plus 30% extra. Now, how to use this code? Add $100 plus worth of items on your Temu cart and in the checkout promo field, enter one of the codes above and hit apply. And watch the savings reflect instantly. Stack discounts, so you can use these codes during flash sales for even more savings. New codes appear frequently. Forums like Temu Pact on Reddit and Temu Code Exchange are gold mines. Free shipping, daily check-in bonuses, and in-app coupons can further lower your cost. Final take, most powerful code is ACP856709. Solid backup is ACI520930 and regional code could be ACR832484. So add these codes to your cart, stack them smartly and score big. No referrals required. So that's the simple way through which you can do this. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.